Hello everyone, welcome back to Tax at the End. In today's video, we shall give you the summary of few important notifications or circulars issued by Income Tax, GST, MCA in the month of July 2021. CBDT had granted relaxation in electronic filing of Form 15CA or 15CB. The press release issued on 20th July 2021 has given further extension for submission of Form 15CA or Form 15CB manually to the authorized dealers till 15th August 2021. CBDT has explained the procedure on computation of short-term capital gains and written down value under Section 15, where depreciation on goodwill has been obtained. This is issued via notification number 77/2021 dated 7th July 2021. CBIC came up with a circular to clarify regarding the extension of limitation on a GST law in terms of the Honorable Supreme Court's order dated 27th April 2021. This was issued by circular number 157/13/2021 dated 20th July 2021. The government had issued notifications under Section 168A of the CGST Act 2017, wherein the time limit for completion of various actions by any authority or by any person under the CGST Act, which falls during the specified period, had been extended to a specific date. But this was subject to certain exceptions specified in the said notifications. Legal opinion was solicited regarding the applicability of the order of the Honorable Supreme Court to the limitations of the timelines under the GST law. Honorable Supreme Court had granted extension only with reference to judicial and quasi-judicial proceedings, that is, in the nature of appeals or suits or petitions, etc., and had not extended it to every action or proceeding under the CGST Act. In the circular, it has been clarified that various actions or compliances under GST can be broadly categorized into three types. The first category is proceedings that need to be initiated or compliance that need to be done by the taxpayer. Such actions would continue to be governed only by the statute, that is, whatever the time limit is provided or the extension is given in the statute, only that will be covered. The extension mentioned in the Honorable Supreme Court order would not apply to such compliances or proceedings on part of the taxpayers. The second category is quasi-judicial proceedings by tax authorities. Tax authorities can continue to hear and dispose of the proceedings where they are performing the functions as quasi-judicial authority. This shall include disposal of application for refund, application for revocation of cancellation of registration, adjudication proceedings of demand notices, etc. In these cases, it will be governed by the extension granted by the statute or the notifications and not covered by the order of the Honorable Supreme Court. The next category is appeals by taxpayers or tax authorities against any quasi-judicial order, wherever an appeal is required to be filed before the Joint or Additional Commissioner of Appeals or Commissioner of Appeals or Appellate Authority for Advanced Ruling, Tribunal and various courts against the quasi-judicial order, or where a proceeding for revision or rectification of any order is required to be undertaken, the timeline for the same would stand extended as per the Honorable Supreme Court's order. To summarize, the extension of timeline granted by Honorable Supreme Court via its order dated 27th April 2021 is applicable in respect of appeals against any quasi-judicial order or proceedings for revision or rectification of any order, and it is not applicable to any other proceedings under GST law. As you are all aware, in the Finance Act, Section 35, subsection 5 of the GST Act had been omitted. This was with respect to the GST audit to be conducted by the chartered accountant. So this was nullified. And a new Section 44 was substituted, that is basically GSTR 9C, which was earlier done by the chartered accountant, certified by the chartered accountant, can now be self-certified by the taxpayers. This is effective from 1st of August 2021. It is issued via Notification 29/2021 dated 30th July 2021. In the Notification number 30/2021 Central Tax dated 30th July 2021, the changes in Rule 80 that is pertaining to annual return has been provided. Form GSTR 9 is applicable to every registered person. GSTR 9A is applicable to person paying tax under Section 10, that is composition. Form GSTR 9B is applicable to the electronics commerce operators. GSTR 9C, that is self-certified reconciliation statement, is applicable from 1st of August 2021. This is applicable to a registered person whose aggregate turnover during the financial year exceeds 5 crore rupees. This shall be submitted on or before 31st of December following the end of such financial year. BIC via Notification 31/2021 Central Tax dated 30th July 2021 has exempted the registered person whose aggregate turnover in the financial year 2020-21 is up to 2 crore rupees from filing of annual return for the financial year. This notification shall come into force from 1st of August 2021. MCA has inserted Rule 33A with respect to allotment of new name to the existing company under Section 16 subsection 3 of the Act. To understand this, we'll have to first understand Section 16 subsection 1 of the Act. Section 16, rectification of name of company. In this, subsection 1 is with respect to where a central government is of the view or an opinion that the name of the company is identical with or too nearly resembles the name of a company which is in existence and registered under the Act or under any other previous company law. It shall direct the company to change the name, and the company shall change the name within a period of 3 months from the issue of such direction. Or if an application by a registered proprietor of a trademark, the name is identical with or too nearly resembles to a registered trademark of such proprietor under the Trademarks Act 99, made to the central government within 3 years of incorporation or registration or change of name of the company under this Act or under any other previous company law, in the opinion of central government, it is identical with or too resembles to an existing trademark, then it may direct the company to change the name within a period of 6 months from the date of such direction. This section, where they have mentioned as a period of 6 months from the direction within which the company shall change the name, it shall be substituted with a period of 3 months, and this is effective from 1st of September 2021. If a company's name is identical with that of the company that is in existence, as per the opinion of the central government, or a registered trademark under the Trademarks Act has an application made by the registered proprietor within 3 years of the incorporation or registration or change of name, or again the central government is of the opinion that the name is identical or resembling to that of the trademark, they would have given the direction to change the company name, and the company is required to change the name within 3 months of such direction. If the company fails to do so, then the letters ORDNC, which is an abbreviation of the words Order of Regional Director Not Complied, and the year of passing of such direction, along with the serial number and the existing corporate identity number of the company, shall become the new name of the company without any further act or deed by the company. The registrar shall accordingly make such entry of the new name in the Registrar of Companies and issue a certificate of incorporation. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to hear from you. For more such videos, watch our channel and follow our page on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter.